Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to download PAN card online. If you've recently applied for a PAN card or need a softy copy, you can easily download your ePAN card online from the Protein eGov Technologies portal. Open your browser and go to the Protein eGov Technologies website. This is the official portal where you can access ePAN services. On the homepage, look for the option Download ePAN or ePAN XML. Click it to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter either your acknowledgement number if you just applied or your PAN number if you already have one. Fill in the required fields carefully and make sure your mobile number is linked to your Aadhaar card because you might need to verify through OTP. Now after entering your details and verifying with OTP, you'll get the option to download your ePAN card. The ePAN will be in PDF format and you can save it for future use. If this tutorial helped, please make sure to like this video, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you faced any issues while downloading your ePAN card online.